Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. One-Password package is not available on Ubuntu-based repository, so you can install it via downloading the key for the 1Password apt repository and adding it as follows. Then run the following command to add the 1Password repo as shown. Add the debsig verify policy by running the following command. Run the command below to reflect on all changes. Then install 1Password as shown. The second method of installation is the next. You can install 1Password with Snapped Manager. First, install the Snapped Manager on your system. Next, use the following commands to install the core and 1Password. Now you can search in the system search bar by typing 1Password or by icon. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.